Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. The recipe I'm going to share with you today is my favorite, avocado chia drink. And this drink is perfect for Ramadan. So let's get started. First, I'll be making coconut jelly. For that, I'm adding 3 cups of coconut water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and finally 1 teaspoon of agar-agar powder. This agar-agar powder should be added to the coconut water while it is still cold. Once the water is hot, you won't be able to mix the agar-agar powder in it. Now mix everything very well. Now I'm going to simmer the mixture for a minute. Now I'm pouring this into a square-shaped dish and setting aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the jelly is ready. Now I'll cut the jelly into small pieces. In a bowl, I'll add 1 avocado. Cut into small pieces. The jelly, 5 teaspoons of soaked chia seeds, condensed milk to your taste, four cups of milk, and ice. Mix everything well, and there you have my healthy avocado chia drink. This is very refreshing drink. I highly recommend you to make this drink and let me know how it was. Thank you so much for staying with me. I'll see you soon in my next video.